Welcome to the next round of Hey, Who Said That? This time, it's all money quotes from movies, from TV shows, from media. I'm going to introduce our contestants, starting with Craig.
You said you're going to introduce. You said I'm going to introduce our contestants, starting with Craig. So you do it.
There's Craig. There's Joe. There's Nick. And we're going to go ahead and jump right in here and get started.
Fantastic.
We're going to buzz in the same way you were doing last time. Knee slap, so I can't tell who buzzed in first or anything like that.
Everyone has a custom noise. That's your noise, dude. That's what everyone thinks when they think of you.
There's plenty of money out there. They print more every day. But this ticket, there's only 5 of them.
Willy Wonka.
It is Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
Wow.
This ticket, baby. I know that's my favorite.
Gene Wilder, shout out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to teach you to hate spending money. I'm going to make you so sick of spending money that the mere sight of it will make you want to throw up.
13 going on 30.
It's not 13 going on 30.
Show Me the Money. What's that movie with Tom Hanks? Show Me the Money. Not
No.
Tom Hanks.
You
with,
got mail.
Jerry Maguire.
Jerry
It
Maguire.
is not Jerry Maguire.
Daddy Daycare.
It is not Daddy Daycare.
Laminated.
This movie came out in 1985.
Wall Street.
It is not Wall Street.
Dang. Shout out Gordon Gekko.
Mm-hmm.
I grew up without a TV in the house.
It is Brewster's Millions.
Oh, dude, there was,
I grew up with no TV in the house and didn't go to movies ever till I was at college.
In this country, you gotta make the money first. Then, when you get the money, you get the power. Then, when you get the power, then you get the women.
Wall Street.
It's not Wall Street.
what is the Eddie Murphy movie, Coming to America?
It's not an Eddie Murphy movie.
What era when did the movie come out?
This movie came out in 1983.
Oh, dude, all these old ones. He doesn't know. He doesn't know.
No, he doesn't know.
Risky Business.
It's not Risky Business.
Told you.
This movie's poster is pretty iconic. A lot of college kids have it hanging up in their dorms.
The college kids have it in their.
This movie takes place in, I believe, Miami, Florida.
Miami Vice.
It's not Miami.
It's not a
Vice.
movie.
Scarface.
It is Scarface.
He puts one on the board.
You can put it on the board.
Yes.
Yes.
I have all the characteristics of a human being. Blood, flesh, skin, hair. But not a single, clear, identifiable emotion except for greed and disgust.
Wall Street.
It's not Wall Street.
American Psycho.
It is American Psycho.
I'm kind of terrified. That's 2-0.
So that's 2, 0, 1. I'll tell you one thing, Fred, darling. I'd marry you for your money in a minute.
Fred.
Great Gatsby.
Fred.
It's not Great Gatsby.
Somebody's named Fred in there, maybe.
The
I don't know who Fred is. Flintstones.
Flintstones. Barney
It
Rubble.
is not the
A
Flintstones.
Peanuts Christmas.
It is not a Peanuts movie. This movie came out in 1961.
Dude, no chance.
Yeah.
There is a hit rock song that shares the same name as this movie.
Stairway to Heaven.
It's not
Freebird.
Freebird. This is Breakfast at Tiffany's.
Oh.
Breakfast at Tiffany's.
It's copyright. We can't.
Dum.
You are only ever as good to me as the money you make.
Wall Street.
It's not Wall Street.
Moneyball.
It's not Moneyball.
Death of a Salesman.
It's not Death of a Salesman. This movie came out in 2008.
Oceans.
It's not Oceans.
Now You See Me.
This is not Now You See Me.
That's a good guess. What's the card counting movie? 21.
It's 21.
I'm so good and talented.
I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet.
Steve Martin.
It is not Steve Martin.
Hanging in My Closet. It's about fashion.
This movie came out in 2008.
What?
That's your year.
Moneyball.
It's not Moneyball. This is a movie that is based on a hit HBO TV show.
Entourage.
It's not Entourage.
Oh, Sex and the City.
It's Sex and the City. I wouldn't sell my bike for all the money in the world. Not for $100 million trillion billion dollars.
Wild Hogs.
It's not Wild Hogs.
Little Giants.
It's not Little Giants.
E.T.
It's not E.T.
Didn't he ride a bike?
He did write a book.
Three Ninjas.
It's not the Three Ninjas.
Great movie.
But that's a nice pull.
Three Ninjas Knuckle Up.
But it's not Three Ninjas Knuckle
What are you
Up.
talking about? Those are movies.
I'm going to do a really bad impression. Really, really bad impression. A really bad impression.
This won't help.
I wouldn't sell my bike for all the money in the world. Not $100 million trillion billion dollars.
Sandlot.
No,
That's a good guess.
No.
Pee Wee Herman.
It's Pee-wee's
Big Adventure.
Wow.
Bang!
He's off the bottle.
I have won.
R.I.P.
You never saw the Three Ninjas movies?
No, I had never even heard of them.
Dude,
I
they
would
were
watch
great.
them
They were great.
on repeat.
They were better than Power Rangers.
I'm sorry. I just don't watch movies.
Did you work for the money to buy those earrings? Or did Daddy buy those for you?
Oh. Mean Girls.
It's not Mean Girls, but that is the right genre of movie, I would say.
Yep. Step Up.
It is not Step Up.
Step Up 2, The Street.
Dance Off.
That has nothing to do with dance.
Hairspray.
No, it's not a musical. This movie came out in 1985.
Golly. Grease.
It's not Grease.
Back to the Future.
It's not Back to the Future. What was your first guess? Mean Girls?
Mean Girls.
This is like a high school
Breakfast Club.
dramedy. It is The Breakfast.
I knew it.
You have 4.
Don't you forget about
And,
me.
baby, when I tell you the boy's got his own money, I mean the boy has got his own money. This movie came out in 1988. Starring a popular stand-up comedian.
Coming to America?
It is Coming to America.
Oh, so I was
Eddie Murphy.
I was early
He
on
was
it.
Good.
Running a casino is like robbing a bank with no cops around.
Ocean's 11.
Oceans.
It is not Ocean.
Is it Casino?
It is Casino.
Oh, that's easy. That was easy.
You come into my house on the day my daughter is to be married, and you ask me to do murder for money.
Hitman.
It's not Hitman.
Hitman's Bodyguard.
Godfather.
It is The Godfather.
Wow.
There are times when I look at people and I see nothing worth liking. I want to earn enough money that I can get away from everyone.
Wall Street.
It's not Wall Street.
You get away from
It
everyone.
is not a financially related movie. This movie starred Daniel Day-Lewis.
I don't know. Really.
Oh, There Will Be Blood.
There Will Be Blood.
I think we hear a talent over here.
You know we can't afford the fun pack. What?
Boom! Napoleon Dynamite.
It's Napoleon
I know that one.
Dynamite.
I have watched that movie. 3.
You're
Put a
right on.
fun pack. Put it back. Why don't you get some Pampers while you're at it? I like it. That's
right.
Uncle Rico.
It's 5-4-3.
I have 3. 3, 4, 5.
I think I misspoke earlier. This is probably the easiest quote. Show me the money!
I don't
Jerry
know.
Maguire.
Jerry
He
Maguire.
slapped
Yeah.
I'm kind of hungry.
Because you're amped up.
I need a snack.
Keep your friends rich and your enemies rich, and wait to find out which is which. This movie came out in 2014.
I forget my beat.
2014.
Inside Out.
It's not Inside Out. The actor who said this quote is James Spader.
I don't even know who that
That's
is.
the guy, Robert California.
Oh.
I love Robert California.
Well, Avengers Age of Ultron?
It is Ultron in the Avengers Age of Ultron.
I didn't even know it was a movie.
Money is only something you need in case you don't die tomorrow.
Fair.
True.
In Time with Justin Timberlake.
It is not that terrible movie In Time.
So, it is pretty.
Trolls.
It is not a Justin Timberlake movie.
So you're saying it doesn't have
So you're
Stuff.
telling me nobody from NSYNC is in this movie
Nobody from NSYNC is in this movie.
that we know of?
no
I'm pretty sure this movie came out before NSYNC was a thing.
Rambo.
It's not Rambo. It stars Michael Douglas and Charlie Sheen.
Martin
Sheen.
Wall Street.
It's Wall Street.
I'm so mad.
I'm
right
so mad at myself right now. I've guessed
now.
that.
So mad.
Should have stuck with my strategy
As soon-
of guessing it every time.
Gordon Gekko, baby.
1 minute you're up $500,000 in soybeans, and the next, boom!
Trading Places.
It is Trading Places.
Wow.
Boom.
Good job.
4. Eddie Murphy. I watched that one.
Ma'am, I know you've done your homework, and so you know that money isn't a big part of my life. But at the moment, I could buy Mount Auburn Street, take the Phoenix Club, and turn it into my ping pong room.
I got it. Snakes on a plane.
It is not Snakes on a Plane. I believe this movie had Justin Timberlake in it.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, are you serious?
Social Network?
It's The Social Network.
Oh,
It did have
Seven?
Justin. It did have Justin Timberlake in it.
The best way to hurt rich people is by turning them into poor people.
Trading Places?
It's Trading Places.
That's it. Dan Aykroyd, I think, said that statement.
Nick has an insurmountable lead.
Thank
we
you.
will
We're chasing for second here.
go for our last question here. The rich. You know why they're so odd? Because they can afford to be.
I had no TV, no movies.
Yeah, you're really at a disadvantage here.
Raiders of the Lost Ark.
It's not Raiders of the Lost Ark.
Every time, it sounds like you're about to say that it was that thing.
It is
Not.
not.
Who's the lead actor or actress?
Michael Keaton.
Oh, Batman.
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 Dude, you're
He got like
wrong.
9.
Thanks for playing, everybody. How many did you get right? Nick won.
How many did you get right? Drop a comment. Tell us, because I guarantee you beat me. I can't believe I got 4.
You got 4. That was good.
I got 4.
Round of applause for Nick Mooney.
Thank you, thank you,
He
thank you.
technically doesn't work here.
Indisputable champ.
Thank you.
Do you need me for anything else?
Thanks so much for watching this video. Hey, I encourage you to click the links that are provided to watch a lot of more helpful content that'll help you live your fully funded life. Thanks for being a part of our community.